Today's topic is all-pace shortest path. It is also known as Floyd-Warshall algorithm. This problem is to find all-pace shortest path from a given weighted graph. As a result of this algorithm, it will generate a matrix which will represent minimum distance from any node to all other nodes in the graph. This is the formula to find the all-pace shortest path. Here see the formula is a power k I comma j equal to minimum of a power k minus 1 I comma k plus a power k minus 1 k comma j. Let's see the example. The graph is look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are representing the given graph in matrix form. Suppose self loop taken as 0. Self loop nothing but 1 to 1 connection is not there. Say we take as 0. Next 1 to 3 connection is not there. So we take as infinity. See the matrix form. Suppose 1 to 1 is not there. So self loop as 0. Next the given graph going to 1 to 2 is 3. And 1 to 3 connection is not there, so take as infinity. 1 to 4 is 7. Next node is 2. 2 to 1 is 8. Next self loop is not there, so take as 0. Next connection between 2 to 3 is take as 2. Next 2 to 4 is connection is not there, so take as infinity. Next node is 3. So 3 to 1 is 5. Next self loop is next 3 to 2 is infinity. Next self loop is 0. Next 3 to 4 is take as 1. Next node is 4. 4 to 1 is 2. Next 4 to connection is not there, so take as infinity. Next 4 to 3 connection is not there, take as infinity. Next 4 to 4 self loop is 0. Next, the problem describes taking every decisions. Next, the given matrix is a power 1. So a power 1 take as, here take first row and first column. So first row take as 0, next 3, next infinity, next 7. Next first row, okay. Next first column 8, 5, 2. Adjacent matrices take as zeros. So adjacents are 0, next here 0, next here 0. We have to find these nodes. So a power 0, 2, 3. So find a power 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to find the 2, 3. So a power 0, 2, 1 plus a power 0, 1, 3. So this is the formula. So a power 0, here k is 1. Why we take 1 is first matrix. So 2, 1 plus a power 0, 1, 3. So k, 0, k, z. So 2, 3 the value is 2 to 3. So the value is 2. Next, a power 0, 2, 1. 2 to 1 is 8 plus 1, 3 value is 1 to 3 is infinity. So this is large compared to this. So we take as 2. The minimum value here is 2. Next find the a power 0, 2, 4. Next a power 0, 2, 1 plus a power 0, 1, 4. So here 2, 4 the value is infinity. Here the value is 8 plus 7. So 15. So which is minimum? 15 is minimum. So here the value is 15. So next find 3 comma 2 and next 3 comma 4, next 4 comma 2, next 4 comma 3. Next a power 0 3 comma 2 equal to a power 0 3 comma 1 plus a power 0 1 comma 2. So the value here 3 comma 2 is infinity. Next 3 comma 1 value is 5. Next 1 comma 2 value is 3. So the value is 8. So here the value is 8. Next I hope you understand all the values. So I put the values here 1, 5, infinity 0. Next take, I generate the second matrix. I generate the second matrix from the first matrix. So the values is a power 2 equal to, here take first matrix from the second matrix. So second row is take second row and second column, remaining the diagonals are 0. So the second matrix values are 8, 0, 2, 15. This is second. Next the column second row, the second column is 3, 0, next 8, next 5. The diagonals are 0. So 0, 0, 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. So find the a power 1, 1 comma 3 value. So a power 1, 1 comma 3 equal to a power 1, 1 comma 2 plus a power 1, 2 comma 3. So a power 1 comma 3, see here 1 comma 3 value is infinity. Next here 1 comma 2 value is 3 plus 2, which is minimum, 5 is minimum. So we put the value 5. Next I hope you understand all the values. So I put the values like 7, next 5, 1, 2, 7, 0. Next find out the, I generate the third matrix from the second matrix. Next find the second matrix. So a power 3 equal to third matrix. Take third row and third column. Third row and third column. Third row is 5, 8, 0, 1. So 5, 8, 0, 1. Third row is 5, 2, 0, 7. The diagonals are same. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the values are 0, 3, 5, 6. Next 7, 0, 2, 3. Next 2, 5, 7, 0. This is the third matrix. After we have to find the fourth matrix. So a power 4 equal to, here the fourth fourth matrix is 6 3 1 0 2 5 7 0. So the values are 0 3 5 6, next 5 0 2 3, next 3 6 0 1, next 2 5 7 0. This is the final matrix. Final matrix in the shortest path algorithm. Thank you.